So we're off to the airport. So the first flight is over to Milan, but first we're going to meet the clients from NaughtOne and catch up with them. We've now just got to figure out how to get all of this out of this.
We don't need to try, we can carry all this easy.
The feeling's strong. Let's do this.
Made it. The luggage has made it to the sea. This is just an excuse for me to not do all the heavy lifting.
What do you think of the Duomo, Josh?
It's very impressive. Almost as impressive as the Economy Exchange in Leeds.
Cool. So this is KG's studio where we're filming today. It's a bit of a drizzly day here in Norway, but it's a really cool space. Miniature model of the sofa that we're talking about today.
Once you start from A, you just sink all the way to A, B, C, D, What's his name? Alban. It's French. Yeah, he was my date for this.
Who's that? That's Josh. So yeah, Josh is getting the super wide shot of Dan on the balcony. I think he's trying to get a bit of the local architecture in the frame. I'm sure it's a great composition.